building bikes for underprivileged kids. Said I think it'll be fun giving the bikes away today. And I liked being able to put like the goop stuff in the tire. That was pretty cool.
Which bike was your favorite bike to work on?
Probably this one, because it was my first bike. Yeah, thought that was pretty cool. What we did to this bike was we straightened out the handlebars, fixed the rims, and got the tires pumped up and ready to go. Yep, pretty cool. I thought it was fun all around. I would do it again. I loved it.
Or do you have a favorite bike that you worked on?
It was a little girl's one with the bright pink seat. I thought that topped it off.
So I believe that we're supposed to love people and that we're supposed to live it out, because that's what I feel like the Bible says.
It felt really good giving it to him.
More people should do this. It's really fun and entertaining, and it gives you something to do. And once you donate them, there's no other feeling like it.
I would do a tip jar at the hot dog cart to raise the money for the tubes and tires that we need. That's what I'd do different.